All right, guys, here we are, update number 3 for the bearded pup and year of the beard. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Take that first step, click that subscribe button. Okay, so today is update number 3 for the bearded pup and year of the beard. So today we're going to be taking a look at beard wash and conditioner. That's what we're going to talk about today. Both of these are in the Bikers Blend scent. So if you missed what all products we're going to be talking about this month for Year of the Beard, I'll put a card up top. You can go check that video out and see all of the awesome products that Ron sent for us to go over and use for the course of the month of September. Now, let's get into this. So let's talk about the beard wash first. So it comes in this dark bottle with the black cap, snap cap, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, we have a little leakage. If I'm not mistaken, the different scents come in different colored bottles. So being this is Bikers Blend, it comes in the dark bottle. And let's look at the label. This is an 8-ounce bottle. So we have directions here. We have our scent profile there. Roxy, the bearded pup, it says beard wash. And then on this side, we have ingredients. So like I said, an 8-ounce bottle. So 8 ounces of beard wash should last a good while. Now, let's give it a shake. And this is kind of on that medium consistency. It's not thin, but it's not super thick. And it smells amazing. I love the scent, Bikers Blend. We're going to talk about that next week. We're going to talk about the oil and the balm next week, so stay tuned for that. But the beard wash, let's talk about how it did for my beard. So it's not super stripping. It is not one of those that's going to be like a pine tar soap and strip your beard down to all natural and bare bones beard hair. It is going to clean, but it is also going to leave it soft. I mean, it's almost like a co-wash, but it's not. It is a beard wash. It's just not super stripping. It felt really good in beard. So next we're going to talk about the conditioner. Again, I've been using this for the same amount of time I've been using this. Maybe not the same amount of days, but for the same number of weeks. So on this side, we have ingredients. We have our scent profile. Again, we have Roxy, our bearded pup. Conditioner. It is an 8-ounce bottle as well. And over here, we have directions. And this one comes with a white pop cap. And this is a thick conditioner. I love this. Now, I can tell when I use this without the conditioner, and I can tell when I use them both. I can tell a huge difference. Now, the conditioner, again in that Bikers Blend scent, you can see that right there. It is thick. And it smells just like Bikers Blend. It has a little bit of that conditioner, that clean smell to it, so it kind of overpowers that a little bit. It's a little subtle. I wish that the Bikers Blend scent profile was a little bit stronger in the conditioner, because I can tell a difference when I use this and then I put this in my beard. It's not quite as strong, but it is still a really good scent. Does really well conditioning my beard and making it super soft. So really great products. Let's talk about some price. So you can pick up this combo right here, beard wash and conditioner, for $28. Not too bad. When it's 8 ounces a piece, $28, you get both of them. And unless you're washing your beard and conditioning your beard every single day, this should last you a while. It should last a while. Now, bearded pup, they've got 8 different scents to choose from in this combo, so you can go to their website. I'll have a link in the description below. You can go to their website and go to condition or beard wash conditioner combo, and you'll have 8 scents to choose from. And I think in that description of the beard wash, it tells you the scent profiles if you're not familiar with the scent profiles. But Bikers Blend is a leather and cedar. Smells really good. You'll not regret it. It's just a manly scent. So get over and check it out. All right, guys, well, that's it for today. We just want to talk about the beard wash and the conditioner. And we're going to come back on final thoughts at the end of this month, and I'll tell you how it's done for the whole month. But we're 3 weeks in, and it has done amazing. So yeah, get over, check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.